Then come back to the next entity. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful AI video generators on the planet, Kling 01. Specifically, we are looking at its seamless integration with OpenArt AI. I created a brief and biased cinematic scene using the element feature.
First, I start with the element feature where I plan the narrative flow. This is the engine room where the actual generation happens. In the view tab, I choose my tool based on the shot I need. The video, image to video, elements to video, medium to video, elements to video. This is my favorite cinematic video.
That does ignore.
This allows you to take an existing video and swap the person in it with a completely different character while maintaining the exact same moment and engagement. As you can see in the final render, the AI has successfully mapped their features onto the original version.
That's the end of it.
This is the ultimate tool when you have a specific video and a specific ending in mind, and you want the AI to bring the journey with you. Under the image to video section, you will see the option to upload a short video. In this picture box, I specify exactly what I want. Right below the description, you will open the full checkbox. Add audio, edit. To see these ambient sounds or specific narration, you will toggle this on. Look at the final result. The transition is seamless, the lighting is cinematic, and the motion is incredibly fluid.
Now let's talk about one of the most advanced part of this engine, scene prediction. Kling scene prediction works by mirroring the last 3D mark of your image.
By adding keywords, I'm helping the prediction engine decide which part of the scene should stay static and which part should be dynamic. Look at this shot. The scene prediction here is incredible. Replacement. I'm going to show you how to take an high-octane video of someone else being a bike and replace that person with me while keeping the stunt perfectly the same.
Now let's look at how we actually change the video perspective.
This is the secret to making a flat photo look like it was filmed with a moving camera. In description, I'm telling the Kling engine to move the lens, not just the pixel. The detail is what makes the AI-generated perspective feel 100% real. Can you see that? The perspective shifts perfectly. Now we are getting into the high-end stuff.
Using a video reference.
This is how you tell the AI to take the moment from one video and apply it to a completely different world or subject. I start by heading into the video to video section. I upload my source footage. In this case, I upload a raw shot of my motorcycle ride. I use the description box to bridge the gap. Look at the result. The AI understood the perspective of the original recording but rebuilt it with much higher fidelity.
Now let's push the AI even further with environmental transformation.
One of the coolest things about Kling 01 is its ability to completely change the weather and time of the day while keeping your character exactly the same. Look at that. Same character, same location, but a completely different mood.
Adding a character. Most AI generators gives you different face every time you generate a clip. But with Kling's element library, we can lock in a specific person and drop them into any scene we want. Now, watch how I add this character to a completely new environment. To make sure they don't just look like a sticker on the background, I add interaction prompts. Look at the consistency. They are fully animated in a scene that never existed. Now, if you want high-end VFX without writing complex prompts, you have to use the Magic Effects tab. This is where Kling provides pre-built templates that you can apply directly to your photos. Once you choose your effect, the workflow is incredibly simple. Thanks for watching.